All right, anything that needs to be heard from either side before I announce sentencing?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing more from the defense.
All right, after having listened to the evidence, certainly the finder of fact is the jury. And the jury, in this case, determined that Miss Susan Embert was guilty of the 4 counts that she was charged with. I listened intently to the evidence and to the testimony of the witnesses as well as the family members from both sides. This sentence is based only on what the totality of the circumstances in this case was. This is in no way based upon any prior proceedings that took place. I invite attorneys from both sides to do what's necessary within the bounds of the law to advocate for their side. So I don't take offense ever to any requests for appeals or anything of that nature. This decision is based only on the impact that this death has had on the family, on the fact that this jury that was here determined her to be guilty on the charges, the heinous nature of the offense, the timing of this incident, as that the son, Mr. Embert's son, would come back to the home to this. There was a heart-wrenching scene from when he turned back from just a run to go pick up a girlfriend to the father being brutally murdered in his home under the conditions of him being ill. In other words, he was not taking into consideration anything about any poisoning, but he was in a delicate health situation, and for this crime to take place upon him while he was in a delicate medical situation, I think brings more harm or makes the crime more heinous. And based upon just the observation of all of the case from start to finish, count 1, malice murder, I sentenced Ms. Embert to life without the possibility of parole. Count 2, I sentenced her to life without the possibility of parole. Of course, those 2 charges wound into each other, so it's just one. The aggravated assault charge will merge. That would be the maximum of 20 years. And the gun charge, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, 5 years to serve consecutive to life without the possibility of parole. That sentence is not based on anything that happened in 2019 when I was in a completely different court. I didn't follow the case. I had no knowledge of the case at all. I had no communication with the prior judge about the case. This is a fresh look at the case, and I'm ruling in that fashion. There's no vindictiveness, just a fresh look at the case, and this is the case as I see it. Certainly, in terms of this issue about the license, the license was presented to me, and it was obvious that there was an attempt to present to the jury information that was not true. Now, whether or not, in any time that there's information that's unverified, and you have reason to know that it's not true, and you want to present it anyway, but that is not, that's noted. However, that's an action, as the defense indicated, that was their own action and not an action. They just said that they found this on the internet and was going to present it and didn't ever ask her about it. So that's what they're indicating. Do I believe that? It doesn't matter. But my decision is based upon the fresh look at this case with no vindictiveness towards Miss Embert at all, and her and whatever happened years before I even knew who Embert was on either side. So that's the sentence of the court. Thank you.
Your Honor, just to be clear, was the consecutive 5 years in prison?
Yes.
Sir, I'm sorry. Yes, Your Honor.
5 years in prison to serve. Thank you. That concludes my business for this case. Thank you.
All of them. I mean, this is, I've made it very well known that this has been excruciating for our entire family. We're very grateful for Judge Johnson. It's her decision. So, life without parole and consecutive. So, my thoughts, I'll try to be nice, but die in prison. You've taken enough from us.
Just sitting there while I was watching all of you through the hearing, I saw a lot of tears, like your statement, all of your statements. It was clear that just getting up there and talking was hard.
Well, it's hard when she's looking at you and you know what she did. And up until this point, whenever I looked at her, she wouldn't look at me.
Did she look at you today?
She did, and I told her pretty much what I think without being nasty.
What did you see in her eyes?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
After 12 years, I mean, you talked about this so much. After 12 years, does this feel like justice? The end of a chapter?
From the judicial aspect, yes. This is the finality of justice. From a human being aspect, we're forever broken,
Thank you, guys. Anything else that you all want to say just about this entire saga?
It's been 12 years.
That y'all have been through?
Don't give up on your family.
Yeah.
Do not give up on your family. I have preached that from day one. Doors will close in your face. Continue to go through with them. Don't give up on your family. Justice for Jake. We are so grateful. The Doherty County District Circuit, their team, honorable Judge Victoria Johnson, remarkable. We are so grateful. We're grateful for everybody. We're grateful for the jury. And first and foremost, the Lord. We're grateful to God for everything.
Stay tuned for Jake's Law.
Jake's Law. Can you tell us what that's about?
Well, to be discussed and to be determined.
But I am struck by, this is here in this courtroom because all of you all pushed for this.
Yes.
You pushed for changes. You
We
pushed for
had a
people
lot
to
of
take
help,
another
but-
look.
Yeah.
We did. It's a team effort. There was not one single person in here, whether it be, even our support group. They're so substantial. The
Victims
the
advocates.
victims advocates. Oh my gosh, they're
They're wonderful.
so special.
They took good care of us.
Yes.
I believe.
Oh, yes.
He's right on those.
Oh, there he is.
And Lee Wilson, Southeast Legal Detection Investigation. I mean, creme de la creme, you could not ask for a better individual. So, yeah, I mean, it's just a team effort, you know, and again, just grace to God, you know, thank you for allowing us that strength or carrying us, because it is excruciating. And if you have not gone through something to this nature, you know, I pray you never have to. I pray you never have to. So,
Well, hopefully other people won't when they see it.
yeah.
I will have one
Thank you.
question. You know, they keep discussing appeals. What do we have to say to that?
I think
Say what you
too.
said before, we'll be there.
Well,
Well, yeah, I mean, you know,
We'll be there.
Judge
But Judge
Johnson,
Johnson handled
yeah.
it so well.
I
Literally.
agree.
I mean, it was case law, case law, case law, case law, and
For
that
this
is
very reason.
the backbone of this case now. I think if it's overturned, it's I'll be a little worried if
Right.
that was able to happen. Honestly,
I completely agree.
Yeah, she did it right.
But if
She
you
did.
did go to appeals,
we'll be there.
we'll see you there. Absolutely.
Thank y'all so